Kanti umphathisi wezezimali izolo Enoch Dongwana wenze uhlahlo lwabeyomali lukanyaka ka-2026 udize ukuba kwiminyaka eli-17 ityala ke loMzantsi Afrika liza kuzinza. Kulindeleke ukuba liphinde lirhoxe kwiminyaka ezayo. Nangona ke sibona ukwehla kwamatyala oku ke kutyabula uMzantsi Afrika imali ebalelwa kwi-332.4 yeebhiliyoni ukubhatala ke bukeli inkunzi zamatyala kuquka ke amathole oku ke ekubalelwa kwimali eyi-1 billion ngemini nje kuphela. Ukanti ke mbukeli ukusinceda siphicothe oku nokuba ke kuthetha ntoni kuwe ungumni woMzantsi Afrika esinaye umhlekazi uMakwe Masilela osebenza ke kwezoqoqosho. Mhlekazi Masilela, masikubulise sikwamkele SABC lihaye sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho ngale ntseni.
Siyabonga nabamameli ekhaya.
Mhlekazi wam, umphathiswa uthi ityala loMzantsi Afrika liza kuzinza ukanti ke siphinde sibone ukurheqa kwiminyaka ezayo ukanti ke kujonge kanjani kule meko yoqoqosho esikuyo.
Izinto azikho that bad, sazi ukuthi asikho la besifuna ukuthi sibe khona and sazi ukuthi sibuya endaweni yakuthi bokunzima kakhulu, but into mele siyikhumbule ukuthi si-understand yonke into le ukuthi kahle kahle into efunekayo ukuthi mele wenze ukuthi umnotho ukhule, and if lokho kwenzeka then zonke inkinga zakho uzobe ukuthi uthole i-solution for zona, and the way ngakhona izinto at least ziba balanced because kuba nezinye izinto that azange si-expect ukuthi zizoyenzakala njengomanje, and kakhulu sikhala ngendaba yesikoloto. Khumbula ukuthi for every rent la sinayo la ekhaya i-20 cents yakhona iya towards ukuthi ibhatale not isikoloto but interest kulo sikoloto leso. But yes, kuphendula umbuzo wakho, then izinto ziyabonakala ukuthi at least if sichubeka ngale ndlela le then kuzoba ngcono kuya phambili.
Xa uzithe azikho bad ingaba oku kuthetha ntoni kumni woMzantsi Afrika kuba kaloku urhulumente uthi uza kuchitha imali ebalelwa kwi-432.4 billion kumatyala kulo nyaka ka-2026. Oku ke kulibeka ndawoni uxinzelelo kwimali yelizwe. Siphinde sijonge mhlekazi wam into yobana ne-GDP ithe kratya ku-79%. Oku xa sichubela umni woMzantsi Afrika kuthetha uba mhlambe izinto njengokuba usisho into yokubana zizoba ngcono okanye nje kuthethwa ngolwimi.
For the past 17 years, isikoloto se-government besikhuphuka. Manje expecta ukuthi from now sizoyehla. Indaba ezimnandi lezo. Isikoloto sethu sime ku-79% yomnotho wethu i-GDP. For the isikhathi eside besibona ukuthi every time kuna nama-tax ukuthi i-tax mhlambe izongezewa abantu bathola ukuthi kuzoba nama-tax increase, but for now siyabona ukuthi for the past 3 years azange siyazi ukuthi i-tax bracket zabantu ukuthi bayenze ukuthi zi-adjustiwe for inflation. Indaba ezimnandi lezo. Simzwile last year bakathi this year uzofuna ukuthola at least 20 billion from ukukhuphula ama-tax, but because bona government bathola imali ebonakalayo akudingeki ukuthi baqhubeke ngale ndaba leyo. Sibonile besikhuluma as well ukuthi no kuya phambili ugovernment uzoyenza sure ukuthi uspend imali eningi ku-infrastructure for everyone ukuthi aze ukuthi ayenze business. Ufuna ukuthi amanzi, electricity, ama-railway, yonke into ukuthi right. Siyabona ukuthi kune-improvement. Siyazi ukuthi umnotho wethu manje uzokhula ngo-1.6%. Indaba ezimnandi. Siyazi ukuthi inflation yethu ba-expecta ukuthi izodlala lapha kuma-3.4%. Lokho kwenza ukuthi u-Reserve Bank angasinceda naye aqhubeke ehlise ama-interest rate. Nazo indaba ezimnandi. And yes, kuma-social grants, abantu abaningi they're still kuma-social grants, and sazi ukuthi abantu into bayifunayo bafuna ama-handouts, bafuna imisebenzi. But if umnotho uyakhula, then i-government yenza ukuthi environment ibe right for ama-business ukuthi at least ba-create imisebenzi, then lokho abantu bazothola imisebenzi. And sazi ukuthi bathi imisebenzi eminingi i-create ama-small businesses. Sibonile ukuthi kunama-tax relief mayiza kuma-small businesses ukuthi abancede ukuthi at least nabo ba-operate ku-environment le ngayenza ukuthi at least into zabe sihambe kakuhle. Yes, kunama-la sishoda khona, but izinto they're not as bad the way bezingakhona the past few years.
Usathetha Mhlekazi Masilela malunga ne-social grants. Siyaqonda into yokubana ngabantu abathe kratya apha eMzantsi Afrika abaxhamlayo kwi-social grants. Kodwa ke izibonelelo zikarhulumente kuquka i-child support grant sivile into yokubana nazo zizawuthi zonyuswe. Ingaba urhulumente mhlambe unako ukunyusa izibonelelo abe ecaleni zama into yokubana azikhuphe kumgxobhozo wamatyala. How realistic is this, Mhlekazi?
Very realistic, because i-government, if umnotho uyakhula, u-government uzoyenza imali. Why? Ama-company azoharisha abantu and imali eningi i-government ayithola is pay as you earn. Ama-company azokwenza ama-profit, then bazowazi ukuthi babhadala i-tax. Abantu ngoba bayasebenza, they will go bathenga izinto, then bazobhadala i-VAT. Then lokho ama-coffers we-government azokhuphuka aye phezulu. And then as umnotho ukhula, as abantu bathola imisebenzi, then abantu abaningi bayasuka kuma-grants kuya phambili. But into ebalulekile ukuthi even if lama-grants akhula ngele ndaba ye-inflation, but siyazi ukuthi abantu kahle kahle into bayifunayo imisebenzi, and then if umnotho uzokhula ngamampela, then at least kune hope. And njengamanje sibonile ukuthi imali eningi ibuya from mainly one sector, indaba ye-mining. So into ngizama ukuyikhuluma ukuthi if namanye ama-sector ayakhula, and then yes, at least u-government i-income yakhe izobonakala, income yakhe angayenza ukuthi akhona ukuthi ayenze ama-responsibilities wakhe, not just only indaba yama-grants, but ezinye izinto mayeza ku-service delivery.
Enye yezinto esizibonile Mhlekazi kukuba umphathiswa uchaphazele ukusetyenziswa kwemali ngomasipala ingakumbi kwicandelo lamanzi. Siyaqonda into yokubana baziphe u-63% nalapho besisho into yokubana oomasipala bakuxinzelelo lwemali. Inobuzaza kangakanani le ngxaki futhi ichaphazela njani uqoqosho, kuba siyaqonda into yokubana kukhona iinkonzo ezifana nombane, amanzi esiqondayo into yokubana kulo lonke eli baphantse basengxakini ngenxa yemanzi.
Ibalulekile kakhulu into emele sazi ukuthi u-national government, u-provincial government bangakhuluma whatever bafuna ukukhuluma, but at the end of the day umnotho izinto zenzakala ku-local government. So kubalulekile ukuthi i-local government operate kakuhle. Sizwile ngoba namanye ama-company ahamba from amanye ama-municipality because they were not happy ngale ndaba ye-infrastructure lapho. So kubalulekile ukuthi ama-local government asebenza kakuhle, and kubalulekile into ayikhulumile ukuthi uyaphambili bazokwenza sure ukuthi imali bayayi-ring-fence, imali yamanzi, imali electricity kunokuthi bathathe ngapha babhadale ngapha. And lokho kubalulekile because even if singakhuluma whatever sifuna ukukhuluma, at the end of the day implementation iyenzakala ku-local government. That is why kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi u-local government mele ukuthi urana kakuhle, and the only way angarana kakuhle that's if bathola abantu bazi ukuthi yini bamele bayenze, then bayenze umsebenzi.
And then Mhlekazi, Operation Vulindlela Phase 2 siyaqonda into yokubana naye ubekelwe bucala into yokubana asiphule le ngxaki. Ingaba mhlawumbe ukuba khona kwakhe kuzoba luncedo?
Kakhulu, and it's just that like I sesijwayele ukuthi izinto azihambe kakuhle, so even if kunezinto ezi-right zenzakalayo abantu abaziboni, bheka indaba ye-load shedding besikhala ngayo kakhulu, manje asakhale ngayo abantu bakhala at least nge-load reduction. And ngamuzwa uminister ungathathi ngabo October izobe iphelile, and we hope uzayithola right. Yes, electricity iphumile, isotile out, kunendaba yamanzi, but manje if uyabheka futhi babheka indaba ye-Transnet, i-rail ebalulekile kakhulu because lokho ikhuluma ngama-exports nama-imports for thina la ekhaya, and siyabona sebathola nama-partnership we-private sector nabanye abantu futhi bafuna uku-investa. Yes, into mhlawumbe singakhala ngayo i-speed, good whatever bayikhulumayo i-right and on paper it's okay, but let's make sure ukuthi maba-implementa ngamampela and kuba ne-speed. But so far sesibona ama-results are positive, not to say ku-right, but at least kuyathembisa ukuthi if abantu bafuna ukwenza izinto la ekhaya there is hope ukuthi kungalunga.
Enye yezinto Mhlekazi urhulumente athe wabe kanti uyathembisa kukubekela bucala imali ethe kratya kwi-1 trillion ezawuthi incedise kakhulu ekulungiseni i-infrastructure. Kodwa sisabona into yokubana imigaqo emininzi apha eMzantsi Afrika isamoshakele kakhulu. Ingaba mhlawumbe oku singakubona kwenzeka especially in the next 3 years njengoko kuthenjisiwe?
kumele kwenzakala because sine-pressure and abafuni ukukhuluma ngayo. Before eSouth Africa abantu mababuya ngaphandle bafuna uku-investa ku-Africa bebaqala la eSouth Africa, but now izinto zitshintshile, abantu bayakhona ukuthi baye straight kwamanye amazwe without ukuthi baye through South Africa. So sikhompyutha namanye amazwe la e-Africa ukuthi kumele senze sure ukuthi izinto zethu zi-right, and infrastructure not just izindlela, amanzi, i-water, i-energy, yonke lento ibalulekile. And then into important, khumbula if umuntu ufuna ukuza azobeka imali ufuna kwenza sure ukuthi kunomthetho la khona, at least izinto ziyasebenza, infrastructure i-right, including ama-telecommunication ne-banking system. So kubalulekile for our sake if si-serious ukuthi sifuna ukukhula ukuthi le 1 trillion lebakhuluma ngayo bayispend, because inkinga yethu imali iba khona but unfortunately abantu abayispendi, then it ends up going back to national treasury, then kuba lento lokuthi at least unfortunately iba kodwa siluzile because azange siyispende le mali le.
Ingaba mhlekazi oluhlahlo lwabemali lubeka uMzantsi Afrika kwimeko apho mhlambe sizawuthi sizakubona ukuba lamatyala sigqiba ukuwabhatala ixesha elide, okanye ke kusezobakho ezinye izothuso, kuba kaloku uthethile malunga ne-small businesses. Ingaba mhlawumbe njengoko kuthiwe iVAT yabo inyuke ngo-2.3 million, oku kuzobanceda kangubi?
Kakhulu, khumbula ukuthi if kunemali uyenzayo like i-1 million uyafotekela ukuthi uregister for VAT, and ku-register for VAT umunye umsebenzi, and futhi mele ubhatale every month or every second month ku-receiver. So it's another job for a small business. So but no, if at least manje wenza i-2.3 then there's no need uzotala ku-register for VAT mawenza 2.3, not no longer 1 million like before. So kukunikeza abantu space ukuthi bangafocus from ukuthi barana ama-business wabo kunokuthi bafocus nge-administration. And yes, siyazi ukuthi le ndaba yakuthi infrastructure whether izosebenza kakuhle or inuka phambili ngamampela asina choice, because how do you trade, how do you go to work if izinto azihambe kakuhle, izindlela azikho right? So yes, umnotho if sithola kahle ukuthi ba-implementa, and then esikhuluma ngama-small businesses, that the ones ba-create imisebenzi eminingi, so they need to get the necessary support.
Masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho nokusityebisela kwinto endiqondayo into yokubana bemi boMzantsi Afrika bebeyijonge ngeliso elibomvu. Kunjalo nje xa bepha eqongeni abanye abakwazi uku-interpreta la manani kuthethwa ngawo, kodwa ke sibamba ngazo zozibini ngohlalutyo lwakho. Enkosi kakhulu. Right, Mbukeli lo besithetha naye ke ibinguye uMakwe Malilela, yena ke Mbukeli usuka kwezoqoqosho. Esityebisela ngakumbi Mbukeli ngokuba zonke mhlambe izinto ezidizwe nguye umphathiswa wezezimali Enoch Godongwana zithetha ntoni kuwe ungumni woMzantsi Afrika.